It's been over 11 years since South Africa lost its beloved football star, Senzo Meyiwa, but the nation is still waiting for justice. The murder trial has been a roller coaster of twists and delays. Today, we examine the latest bombshell. Accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, has taken the stand in his own defense, and he is tearing apart the prosecution's narrative. Recap of the case. On 26 October 2014, Senzo Meyiwa was shot at the WorldWire's home of his then-girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo. The case lay cold for years until 2020, when 5 men were arrested. Muzi Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthobisi Mankub, Mthokoziseni Mafisa, and Sifiso Ntuli. Prosecutors allege it was a contract killing, not a botched robbery. The trial has been plagued by accusations of police misconduct, withheld evidence, and political interference. Families and fans have grown frustrated as the case drags on. New twist, Sibiya's cross-examination. On 24 October 2025, the state read out a confession allegedly signed by Sibiya. According to the statement, Kelly Khumalo hired hitmen and paid $100,000 for the murder with help from the Buthelezi brothers Marco and Makimba. The statement even claims they consulted a traditional healer, Makulu, for protection medicine. But under cross-examination, Sibiya flatly denied everything. He told the court, "I don't know anything that has been written here." He insisted he never met Marco or Makimba and was not contracted to kill anyone. Sibiya also distanced himself from the alleged confession. He admitted he signed a document, but now he says the signatures are too faint to identify. "I cannot at this point say that this is my signature," he told prosecutor George Beloyi. He claimed he signed because Colonel Nlanganyelwa Mbotho told him to. Prosecutors confronted him with claims he received R30,000 for the hit and paid R500 to a sangoma for cleansing. Sibiya responded, "There's nothing that I have received for killing someone. I have never gone to a sangoma asking for cleansing." When reminded of testimony by traditional healer Mshulu Lionel Zwaneth that Sibiya sought white luck and returned for cleansing, he fired back, "I have never seen him before. I've never met anyone called Zwan, except when he was here in court." Phone records, relationships, and inconsistencies. The state's star witness, Constable Sizwe Zungu, said he saw all 5 accused in WorldWire on the night of the murder. Sibiya denied ever knowing Zungu. However, prosecutor Beloyi presented phone records showing that Sibiya's number contacted the same cell phone tower near Zungu's location between 4th of September and 21st September 2019. Sibiya insisted he never spoke to Zungu, claiming he was living in Mpumalanga at the time. Earlier in the week, Sibiya admitted under oath that he is related to 3 of his co-accused, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthokoziseni Mafisa, and Sifiso Ntuli, something the men initially denied. He also described being assaulted multiple times by police to coerce a confession. His lawyer argues that his arrest was based on a triple hearsay trail and not solid evidence. Sibiya's testimony has been punctuated by fatigue and emotional strain. On 14th October, he asked the judge for an early adjournment, stating, "I am tired. I would like to request an adjournment until tomorrow." The court granted the break. What this twist means in reaction. This new twist complicates an already messy case. On one hand, Sibiya's denials and claims of police brutality raise questions about the reliability of the confession. On the other hand, phone records and witness testimony suggest he may be lying. If the court finds that the confession was obtained under duress, it could be deemed inadmissible. But even without it, the prosecution might rely on circumstantial evidence like phone data and eyewitness accounts. Traditional leaders and the public are outraged at the slow pace. Controlesa has called on the judiciary to expedite the trial, saying delays prolong the Meyiwa family's suffering. What government needs to do? So what should the government and justice system do? First, ensure that police investigations are thorough and free from coercion. Allegations of torture must be independently investigated and officers held accountable. Otherwise, any evidence they collect will be tainted. Second, the National Prosecuting Authority must streamline its case management and avoid relying on hearsay. Third, the judiciary should prioritize high-profile cases and minimize unnecessary adjournments. Finally, witness protection programs should be strengthened to encourage testimony. Failing to act decisively will deepen public distrust in the justice system and could encourage vigilantism. Justice delayed is justice denied. Closing, the Senzo Meyiwa case has become a symbol of South Africans' demand for accountability. As cross-examination of Muzi Sibiya continues, the truth about what happened that night in Vosloorus remains elusive. We'll keep following the trial and bring you updates. In the meantime, let us know in the comments. Do you think the prosecution's case is falling apart, or will this new twist backfire on the defense? Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth coverage. Calls to subscribe, watch previous videos, and share the story.